Hey guys, Mike here. In this video, we're going to talk about finish path versus continuous path. One of the really cool things about CCU Lab is that you can add as many keyframes as you like in your timeline. And as long as they're all path moves between those keyframes, you can have as many as you want, and it's going to string those together in a nice, smooth path. Now, the question at hand is, what if I don't want that? What if, in fact, I want to break those up? So that's where finish path comes into play. Continuous path, which I'm going to jump in and show you here in just a second, is the default. Finish path is what you would use in that case. If you look at my timeline here, I've got 5 keyframes on my camera timeline. So 4 path moves between those. And right now, it's all one continuous path move. And what I'm going for here, I want to do a little orbit around Weston's face. And then from this point, I want to kind of flip up and go to a top-down view. So let's go back to our CCU Lab. I've just added these keyframes. Now is the time that I want to actually break those up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on this keyframe right here in my camera channel because it's between 3 and 7 that's my orbit, and then the rest of it is the flipping up to the top down. So this is where I want that break. So first thing I got to do is change that to be a full stop. And then once that's a full stop, I go into the path tab and I can say finish path. So now I've got move number 1, the orbit, and then move number 2, the going to the top down. So I'm going to do that in my camera channel, but I also need to make sure that the target channel has the same settings. Now, at least for this move, I do. I could leave it the way it is and my target would keep moving. The camera would come to a stop in its place, but it would keep following that target. That's not what I want. I want camera and target to come to a full stop before moving on. So I've got that break in there and I'm ready to actually run this program. So let's start it from the beginning, and here we go. There's the orbit, comes to a full stop before it moves on to that second move. So that's how you do it. That's how you break it up. Full stop, and then click finish path. That'll break up your path moves.